Hello. In today's video, we will be discussing the difference between mechanical and membrane keyboards. If you have no knowledge in the world of keyboards, there is no need to worry. I'm sure you'll end this video with basic knowledge about keyboards. There are commonly two types of keyboards in the market that you can purchase right now: membrane and mechanical keyboards. What's the difference between them? Let's find out. Firstly, let's start off with the cost. In general, mechanical keyboards are more expensive compared to membrane keyboards. You will realize why by the end of the video. Membrane keyboards work by electrical contact between the keyboard surface and the underlying circuit when keytop areas are pressed. Let me simplify that. In membrane keyboards, there is a layer of pressure pads below the keys. These pressure pads are generally made out of thin, flexible rubber and have conductive traces on the backside. Below the pressure pads exists another layer called the hole layer. The hole layer has electricity supplied to it, but the circuit is broken at each key. When a certain key or a button is pressed, the conductive trace underneath the key touches the conductive trace attached to the circuit inside the keyboard. This contact allows the circuit to close for that key, which allows the circuit to flow. This signal is sent to the computer, which interprets it and types in the letter or number assigned to that key that was pressed. Mechanical keyboards work differently. Every key on a mechanical keyboard has its own dedicated switch to send signals to. These keys have a spring in them. When pressed, the spring is pushed down, completing the circuit and sending the signal to your computer. Each of these keys can be replaced whenever we desire. These keyboards are called mechanical because they have a physical mechanism, that is, the spring that connects the circuit. Mechanical keyboards generally feel better to type on. Mechanical keyboards have a wide range of keys that you can select from. I will cover the differences between the types of keys for mechanical keyboards in the next video. When a single key stops working on a mechanical keyboard, it can be removed and replaced with another key. This isn't possible in the case of membrane keyboards. If a key stops working in a membrane keyboard, in most cases the entire keyboard needs to be replaced. Another major difference is that mechanical keyboards tend to last way longer than membrane keyboards. Mechanical keyboards are generally tested to last for around 30 to 7 million key presses for each key, depending on their company. While on the other hand, membrane keyboards are generally tested to last for only around 2 to 5 million key presses. In addition to that, mechanical keyboards have a better response time too, making them a perfect pick for gamers.